Welcome back, friends. Today I'm sharing with you a very simple and easy Easter idea. This is kind of a take on a charcuterie board, but in a cup. So I thought it was a cute idea. I've seen it on Pinterest and different, social media platforms. But instead of, kind of laying everything out on a board, you kind of put things in a little cup, and I just thought it was a cute way to do this. Now, I bought the cups from Dollar Tree, and you get 50 in each pack, and this was in the plus section for $3. And so that's 100 cups. You can't really beat that for $3 or $6, depending on how many you buy. But look how cute the patterns are on these. So I couldn't decide which, box I wanted, so I bought both. And I can use these, next year as well. There's plenty in there. So I wanted to kind of do a sweet and savory type little cup. So I have just for as far as the sweet type things, I have this edible grass, which I'm not a fan of the flavor of it, but I wanted something edible to use in this. That way if food's touching it and that type of thing. But that's going to be kind of the base in the cup to kind of give you a little Easter basket kind of feel. So for the savory part, I have some salami and some pepper jack cheese. You can use olives, whatever you want. I just, went with that. And some blueberries, strawberries, but you can use any type of fruit that you would want to use with this. Grapes would be great as well. And I found these little carrots candy. This has that powdered candy in it, and I just thought it was cute. I mainly got it because of the carrot, the way it looks. But then I had some Reese's peanut butter eggs, and I found these Easter picks on Amazon, which was they weren't too much, and you get a lot in it. So like I said, I'm gonna have more for next year. And then I have the different colored Peeps. And then I found these at Dollar General. These were cute little bunnies, and it just reminds me, like little mini ones, like the big ones that you would get for Easter. So I thought that would be cute to add into this. So I'm going to show you how to put all of this together. It's really, really simple. So the first thing I'm going to do is just, like I said, make the savory part of this. So I'm just taking the salami, folding it in half, and then folding it again, putting some pepper jack cheese on. And you can see here, I'm just, like I said, folding it in half, fold it again, kind of like in a triangle. You can do it however you want. But then I put the pepper jack cheese on, and you can add whatever you want. You can add olives to that if you want, but I would suggest not using anything that would be messy. And I'm going to use the edible grass. And as I said before, I don't like the taste of it. It doesn't really have a taste to it. It's just, but it's edible. So I didn't want to use real, Easter grass or anything, since food was going to be touching this. Now, I'm taking the pick and putting the Peep on. These are kind of short, so depending on what you're using, you may or may not be able to fit a lot on it. And those strawberries, like I said, take up a lot of room here. But I'm adding the blueberries. I would like to have added, a little bit more. So depending on the fruit you use, will depend on how much you can get on one pick. And here I'm just trying to figure out what I want to put in the cups, how I'm going to, position it and everything. But I did know, I had 4 of these little chocolate bunnies. And I got those at Dollar General. I think I mentioned that before. But I thought those were really cute in these little cups. And the cups are small, but I feel like I got a decent amount in there. So I added the little carrot. And you can probably find, I think I've seen like the chocolate, foil covered carrots that you can get. I think Dollar Tree may have had those. So I'm just showing, this is what it would look like with just that. But I noticed that the grass wasn't really seen in this one. It kind of sunk to the bottom, so I'm trying to just adjust as I go, with the next one to make sure that, kind of see the grass a little bit, just to give it that Easter feeling of an Easter basket. And you can add, like I said, I'm adding the salami and the cheese. I'm adding the little carrot candy. And you can find little, like I said, all kinds of different types of Easter candies that you can add to this. And Dollar Tree and Dollar General are two good stores to find, little items like that. And I'm going to go ahead and add that fruit in there with the little peep, which I really do think adds a little bit to it. And I'm just going to continue to finish those. But I realized I only had 4 of the, boxed little chocolate rabbit. So I have these Ghirardelli foil, wrapped chocolate bunnies. So I put those in the ones that, I didn't have. And I saw this idea on Pinterest, and I'm going to leave the link down below because it's not my idea, it's someone else's, but I thought it was a good one. I just took some grocery bags and put that on the bottom, and then I took a few bags of the edible grass and just fluffed it up, put it in to the basket. And you can do this with, a regular Easter basket. This is kind of like a little picnic basket type thing I have. But you can definitely, even if it's a round basket, you can probably either use a plate or cut a circle out of cardboard and, cover it with the grass maybe and do it that way. But simple and easy. This is a neat little twist on a charcuterie board. So I'm going to take my cutting board that I have and put that on top. Now mine will fit all the way across. Hers fit inside. So what she did was put some glasses or some glass jars, and then she set her cutting board on top of that because it fit more in the inside of it. Now like I said, I'm using what I have. My board has a little bit of has a handle thing on it, so it is what it is, but I still think it, kind of turned out cute. But I'm just fluffing up the grass around the sides of the board. You want it to stick out, and that'll give you that feeling, of the, Easter basket, but with the grass and everything. So just play with it a little bit, get it to how you want, and just, pull the grass out as much as you can, just to kind of get it where you can see it. And then I put a little bit of grass, Easter edible grass, on top of the board. You don't have to do that. I just wanted to add some texture to it, just to kind of, continue with that feeling of the Easter basket. And then I just start putting the cups on top. Now for hers, she used hers as a charcuterie board. So she filled hers all up with different, items as you would, when you do a charcuterie board. And I do like the idea of the individual charcuterie cups because I just think it's a cute idea. When you're waiting for your supper or dinner or lunch, whatever it is you're doing for Easter to be done, this is nice to have out for people to have, just a snack on. And I just had some chocolate left over, so that's what I'm adding to it. You can definitely do this as a charcuterie board instead without the cups. And, if I would have had like cashews or pistachios, I would have added that to this filled in some spaces. Also would have, like Laughing Cow cheese that's already wrapped. I would have added that as well. And maybe some baby carrots with a little bit of dip. So, just some different ideas that you can do with this. I do think it's a cute idea, and I hope that it gives you some inspiration for Easter to do something like this. But I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in seeing more like it, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell. That will notify you when I post new videos. I hope that everyone has a very blessed Easter. And remember, Jesus is the reason for the season. So I hope everyone has a blessed week. God bless y'all.